Everybody, just coming back with another quick video. Today we've got a Remington Noiseless Model 7 typewriter. Just wanted to do a quick video on this. All the keys seem to work and retract as they should. Trolley moves. Seems to be in pretty good overall working shape. I did take some little time and tried to clean it up the best I could. The outside of the case is in pretty rough condition, but inside looks pretty nice and seems to be working. You probably need to replace the ribbon, but pretty nice little typewriter. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.